I'm a reluctant public servant. Hindi ko naman talaga sinulat to sa aking life goals, pero I'm happy that I went into it. Sabi ko, mahirap yung mga awards na yan. But you know, when I went through the search and I saw the other awardees, I really felt a big honor. No? I'm really averse to it. I'm really averse to being recognized. If possible, wag nga sana. But I was also happy to do it because I know it will bring attention to PGH, what it stands for, and of course, honor to our university. No? Sigurado ko maraming mga nagseserbisyo sa gobyerno na maraming nagawa at maraming naabot para sa publiko, at marami rin sa kanila ayaw nang ipaalam ito at ayaw nila ng mga awards o rewards. Pero kung meron kayong kakilala na ganitong katangian at sa tingin ninyo ay deserving sila na makilala at maparangalan, hinihikayat ko kayo na sana isali sila sa National Honor Awards Program